Hello and welcome back to my channel Fly High with Priya. So in this video I'll be discussing the summary of the novel The Portrait of Lady, which is written by Henry James. The main character around whom the whole novel revolves is Isabel Archer, who is a young girl and who is in search of freedom. Means she wants to live a life full of freedom, but in the last, because of her choices, she faces very bad consequences, or you can say she leads a very sad life. Now let's get started with the summary of the novel. As the novel opens, it opens in England. It is a place. There is a place in England, and that is an estate basically. It is and the father and a son is talking. That is Mr. Touche and Ralph. And through their conversation, we come to know that Mrs. Touche, who is the wife of Mr. Touche, she is coming from Albany. That is in States. So she's coming back, and with her, she is bringing a girl whose name is Isabel Archer. And finally, they arrive. Now, Mrs. Touche doesn't meet this man, Mr. Touche, and her son also, and she directly goes into her room. While Isabel, she comes and she greets his uncle and Ralph, and they start talking. Means through that conversation, it comes to know that this girl is very, a very happy one, lively one, and her nature is very nice. So they are visited, means these Touche family is visited by a man, by the neighbor, that is Warburton, and he is a very rich man. And as this Isabel was there, so they start talking with each other, and as they talk, gradually what happens, this Mr. Touche, he starts liking her, and finally he decides that he will tell all the feelings whatever he is having. So one day he says that you come and visit our house. So this girl Isabel, she is taken by Warburton to his house, and as he was showing his house that this is this and that, and she also takes this girl Isabel to meet his two sisters also, and they also like Isabel very much. And after, when they were alone, so Warburton here confesses his love, that he's in love with this girl, and he wants to marry her. But this girl says that I love my freedom, I don't want to be restricted in the societal norms. I just want to explore the world and know what the true world is. So she basically, you can say, denies his proposal. She doesn't accept it. Now what happens, that a news, or you can say a letter, is arrived, and that letter is from Caspar Goodwood. He is also the person who likes this girl, that is Isabel. So he sends a love letter, and this girl doesn't reciprocates, or you can say she doesn't reply to whatever he has said. So in that letter also, that boy has confessed his feelings, and he says that I want to marry you. In the meantime, what happens, there is one friend of Isabel, that is Henrietta, and she's a journalist, and she comes to England, and she wants to explore the true colors of England, means the life of people of England, or you can say what are the traditions, cultures. So she is invited by Isabel to that estate, and she comes there, and Henrietta is the friend of Caspar Goodwood. She also says that you should accept the proposal of this Caspar Goodwood, but she doesn't say anything. Now, as this journalist was there to explore the true colors of England, so this Isabel says that it will be good that if we explore London. So Ralph decides, or you can say plans, a tour to England, and there he says that Isabel, Ralph, and Henrietta, they'll be going. So they visit in London, and when they were in a hotel, so when she was resting, basically Isabel was resting, then she is approached by Caspar Goodwood, and there also he says that I love you and please do marry me. So at that very point also, this girl simply says I love my freedom, I don't want to live or you can say lead a life which other people live. I just want to explore the world, know its true colors, and so all these things. So basically she rejects his proposal. In the meantime, what happens, that there is a news, or you can say there is a letter from Mr. Touche, and he is very ill and he is on his deathbed. So Ralph just cancels the tour, and they all come to that estate. There, Mr. Touche was very ill, and Ralph, he requests that, I request you, my father, that before dying, please do give some property, you can say, or some share of my property to this girl, Isabel also. Means their bonding, Isabel and Ralph's bonding is so strong that Ralph wants that some of that money, or you can say the property, should be given to this girl. So Ralph's father agree to it, and he gives some share of money to Isabel so that she can explore the world. Means if she'll have the means to explore, then only she'll be able to explore. Now, as she was having money now, so she decides to go to different countries and explore different things. So she is accompanied by Mrs. Touche, and they both visit different places. Now, in the meantime, what happens, before the death of Mr. Touche, there is an arrival of a lady, and that lady is Miss Marley. And now this lady, Miss Marley, is the friend of Mrs. Touche. This is and when she was living there in that estate, this girl Isabel and Miss Marley, they become quite good friends. And as this Mrs. Touche and Isabel, when they go to Paris on their tour, they meet there Miss Marley. And there, what happens? The whole life of Isabel changes. What happens? This Miss Marley is a very suspicious character, and she just persuades a man that is, his name is Osborne. So Gilbert Osborne is the name of a man. He is in his mid 50s, you can say, or 60s, and he's an old man basically. He's having a daughter whose name is Pansy. Now, Miss Marley, she says that this Isabel is a very rich girl, and if you will marry her, you can use the property. You can use that money or share of that money. So this Gilbert Osborne just speaks he behaves in a very refined way, speaks in a very better way, and he just finally proposes to Isabel. And I don't know why this Isabel is just attracted towards this man who is 60 years old. So she finally says that okay, I am ready to marry him. Means she was approached by two boys who were Warburton and Casper, or you can say Goodwood, but she rejects these two proposals and she accepts the proposal of an old man, and I don't know what was the reason. Means this girl was she used to like the artistic things very much. Maybe this girl Gilbert showed interest in art, so she thought that my life will be very beautiful, or means whatever. So maybe that is the reason that she accepted his proposal, and they got married. But the life here totally changed. This man was not at all romantic, or you can say artistic, and her life was very sad when he never listened to her, and means there was no charm in her life. Moreover, what happens that Mrs. Marley visits Osmond. Pansy is not having a very good relationship with her father, and she wants to marry a person. But this Gilbert was not ready that Pansy should marry this boy, because this boy was not rich. He was just an artist, and he wants that his daughter should marry a rich person. So he was against this marriage. But this Isabel, she just wants that Pansy should marry to the person whom she likes. So she is just planning that how can they be got married. In the meantime, Warburton proposes Pansy. Means Warburton arrives there in at that place, Paris, and he proposes to Pansy that I want to marry you. But Isabel is against that marriage, because she thinks that through Pansy he wants to come near her, means near Isabel. So she was not ready that this Warburton should marry Pansy. Whereas this Gilbert Osmond, he was very happy that such a rich man has approached his daughter, and he wanted that Pansy should marry Warburton. Now, when all this scenario was going on, a truth is revealed that Osmond and Mrs. Marley, they were in relationship, and Pansy is the daughter of this lady, Miss Marley, and the father is Osmond. Means they were in relationship, illicit relationship. And means you can see the intrigue here, that Miss Marley knew that Osmond and they were in relationship and they have a daughter. Still, Miss Marley says that you should marry this Isabel, for the sake of money. So this is all the thing. And Isabel was very heartbroken that this has happened, and she was not able to digest all these things. In the meantime, what happens? She gets a letter from Ralph, and it is in that letter it is written that Ralph is on his deathbed. He is about to die. He is very, very, very ill, and he wants to see his daughter. So he says that you come to England, or you can say whatever that estate is. So he just requests. So this Osmond very badly, you can say, or very just heartlessly just says that you don't have to go to Ralph, means you cannot go. As I am saying, you don't have to go, so you just stay here only. So this lady, she finally, you can say, decides that I'll be going to see my brother for the last time. Now, Pansy, as the whole truth was revealed, so Pansy just says, or you can say, takes a promise that you please, before going, you just promise that you will return from that place. So this lady promises that, okay, I'll return. So she goes to that estate, and there Ralph is very sick, and finally after 2-3 days he dies, and all the property is given to Isabel. What happens now? That there here also Caspar Goodwood, he comes and he says that a part of all all those things, whatever happened to you, I am ready to marry you. Means I'll marry you now also. You please come with me. Please don't go to that Osmond. So in the last, when the novel just ends, it is shown that this lady Isabel has left that estate and she has gone. Now when another day, or you can say the next day, when Goodwood just came to meet Isabel, the housekeeper, you can say, or a servant just told that she has left. And on this very note that she has left, the novel ends. Means it is not decided, or you can say it is not told openly that whether she has gone to Paris or returned to Paris to stay with Osmond, or she has gone somewhere else, or she has gone in search of Caspar Goodwood. It is not clear. It is not clearly told. So on this very ambiguous note, the novel ends. I hope the summary of this novel is quite clear to you, और कुछ interesting थी ये summary I think. So जाने से पहले वही same things I will say. Please do subscribe my channel, like my videos and share them. Keep chilling, keep flipping. Till then, bye bye.